past a road that would go down to the beach. Should I turn there?
No, you keep going straight.
Copy.
Yeah, my truck nav says you follow this Huron Road all the way.
Chase, making a right. Copy.
It does get a little sandy over there by the beach, you know, if you're up where, like, they pull the campers up and everything, but we'll be fine.
Looks like a heart right here and then on the left. Yeah, the next one. Yep. Squirrely on that little left turn.
Chase, making a left. Copy. Oncoming. Copy, oncoming.
Make sure you kill some of your lights for oncoming.
Yeah, I couldn't shut my lights off for him.
Oncoming is stopped on the side, guys.
Copy.
So at this next T, are we going straight or just continuing on this, or left on this?
Shows the campground making a right and continuing down further. That was a muddy puddle. Chase past the oncoming. Copy.
Hey, this is cool, and then mark it on your map and then leave, that's fine. It's a pretty cool spot.
Yep, I'm here.
Yeah, we actually saw people having bonfires on the beach
You're
too.
gonna say something else.
I don't know if I can turn around back here, but everybody's just going to end up having to turn around. We'll go down a little further.
Yeah, it looks like it goes further down towards the beach along this edge here.
Yeah, keep going. There's a spot where you can turn around.
These people are like, oh, this is so peaceful. It's a nice, beautiful campground. And then 40 freaking trucks drive through the middle of their campsite.
Public lands.
I want to see how far my laser goes out there.
See tire tracks down there on the actual beach.
Yeah, I don't think I went this far. I think I pulled a Yui already.
Alright, I'm going to start working a U-turn here. I'm not sure where. I'm going to go here.
Looks like to the right there's a lot of room here. We can all turn around here, I think.
Oh yeah, I think that's where I was.
Yeah, there's plenty of room to turn around right here.
Except we all went different directions.
Of course.
Hey Lee, if you don't mind turning the chase lights off, it's easier for me to see. Thank you.
Yeah, it's pretty cool how calm the water was over there. It'd be pretty sweet to camp here.
Anybody have an idea why I key my mic and the Apple CarPlay shuts off?
It's a grounding issue. Did you ground it to the truck or did you ground it to the battery?
I'm pretty sure it's to the truck.
Yep, I have the same exact issue. Somebody told me that I have to ground it to the actual battery and it goes away.
Alright, I'm not going to be able to get by, so you guys are going to have to go out a little. Well, hang on, let's see. Yeah, you guys are going to have to go out further. I don't want to try to sneak by you all.
Is that the one headlight there, Keith?
That's me.
Having a license, I know that. You gotta ground to the battery. There you go.
I'll just lead us to the road, Keith, and I'll pull us over and let you take over.
Yep, perfect, thanks.
I don't get why. Like, yeah, I don't know.
With what?
The whole chase light thing. Sometimes I think we way overuse them.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna
Because
stop
it's
right
not
here and let
dusty
Keith
right
catch up.
There's no real reason to have it on because I can see him
Yeah.
perfect. And the only thing that does when you get up close is it blinds you.
Yeah.
And then you say, well, you're not supposed to get close. Well, then the other guy's on your ass.
Yeah.
So it's like, well,
Thank you.
I think there's time and place for them.
oh,
and
for
we don't
sure.
all know when the time and place is for them. Unfortunately, people overuse them, people underuse them.
I've never seen anybody underuse them.
Well,
All
I have,
around
well, I'll
here.
tell them, put it
Unless
on.
it's like, you know, they forget to put it on.
Yeah.
All right, Chase is rolling out.
All right, thanks, Armando.
Like right now, you don't need the chase lights.
Surprisingly enough, I actually get good cell service on that beach.
But we have our chase lights on right now.
At the very least, it's a very cool road.
Yeah, I think coming up here.
Sarah and I talked about coming up here and just camping.
Only way I'm camping is with 4 wheels, air conditioning, and a queen
Indoor
size bed.
plumbing.
Indoor plumbing.
Yeah.
They're super, definitely in the snow and the dirt and dust. I mean,
Yeah.
yeah.
Definitely. But right now, it's not dusty. If people had their front off-road lights on, it'd be good because it would light it up.
Right.
Now it's getting a little dusty, but I mean, you can still see the vehicles.
But then it's like, well, you pay like over $1,000 for them, so
Yeah, might as well
people are
use
like, wait, let's use them.
Yeah, that's true too.
Keith, with that light bar issue, can you just run with your like parking lamps on and then your fog lights?
We're about 16
No,
miles away,
I
50
found a
miles
way.
away.
I have a switch that authorizes my light bar to come on with my high beams, and when I
Yeah,
turn that off, it
50/60,
drops the circuit, and the light bar will go off, so I can turn it off that way.
Copy.
We're not even in the right county yet.
There's something in the plug that's wet that is connecting the low beam to the high beam. I don't know.
Yeah, Keith said like we'd probably be getting there around 8:30. Probably, I don't know if we want to check in first, 'cause hopefully the hotel doesn't give her stuff away.
Hey Kurt, just a heads up, your headlights are off.
Copy, left turn in the stop.